Hey guys, if you aren't familiar with my channel, I am Kaylin, the author of the Parrot Bliss Bond. I have over 22 species of parrots. I love my parrots, and yesterday I picked up Carmen, who is a golden conure and a new addition to my flock. Her owner, she had lost her mate a little while ago, and her owner didn't want her to be all by herself. Oh, let's go check out the sandhill cranes. So we went and got Carmen yesterday. She's been incredible so far. I have some footage from yesterday that I'll be showing you. But right now I have some visitors, some sandhill cranes. So let's pause the video. What are you doing? You're gonna eat my phone. My phone says, please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my. Oh my. Where's your bell? Where's your bell?